Nice. We having fun, Katie?
This is awesome.
All right. You want to put a bait bag on the trap? Go tie a bait bag. Bait.
Swan?
Yep.
Set it in there?
Yep.
Yeah, right up tight first thing there. If not, it will come undone.
Good. Yay.
Now this time of year, like what we're seeing right now, is about normal.
Okay.
But when lobsters shed and they have the thaw shell, that's when the good fishing season starts. You can get up to 15 to 20 lobsters a pair
Nice.
all day.
She's ready. She's got the next one. Oh, Matt, she was right behind you. Go ahead, Katie, tie it on. That's the way to do it. Be ready.